Okay, so this is the full track proposal for the AI agent governance assistance for Cardano. We're going to do a short, quick little demo of where we're at. So right here, we can really view what the proposals are. So we know there's two proposals, net change proposals, details, and votes. So what this demo is going to demonstrate is basically the AI agent has access to the proposals and our app. And the way the app is built is in the settings, we're using Olama to self-host our own LLM. Then you're able to, keeping to decentralization, specify your own Olama instance. And I'm using Demeter right now for my Agmios endpoint as well. So we'll start off with a few prompts for this AI agent, and basically we'll ask it to list all current Cardano proposals, and we'll ask it if it could summarize each proposal with us. Okay. So here we go, and of course we'll see. It might take a little bit second for it to get warmed up. As I said, this is self-hosted on a dedicated GPU server right now. Most of the latency comes really between the front end and the GPU server communicating at this point. Okay. Okay, here we go. So we have two proposals, as we know, and basically a summary for each proposal. It is very summarized. Maybe we'll ask another prompt, right? So let's ask it if it can give us list potential impacts of this proposal. And after that, of these proposals. So the way we built this agent is it has full access to the CIP 1694 and other Cardano CIPs. It's got full access to our local DRep information as well and whatnot, and documentation from Intersect and whatnot. So it's able to have information that's based the latest on Cardano right now. That's how it's loaded to it. So, based on content and purpose of proposals, set net change limit 300 million and 250, and I can identify potential impacts, positive impacts, sustainable treasury management, encouraging ecosystem growth, alignment with constitutional requirements, restrictive spending, unnecessary for uncertainty for projects, potential for misalignment with community goals, and natural impacts. So there you go. Another question that I like to always ask it is basically what sections of the Cardano Constitution are most relevant to these proposals, right? So this is proposals. And again, this has access to the latest version of Cardano's Constitution, CIP 1694 and whatnot. So it should be pretty on point exactly which sections of the Cardano Constitution are relevant to this proposal. So here we go. Article 4, Treasury Management and Treasury -0A1X and net change limits. So this indeed is true. Yeah, guardrails and guidelines of treasury withdrawals and the Intersect MBO we can read, and it says exactly. Okay, And so basically you can see that this agent, it has access directly to all the Constitution proposals. It helps you answer them. You can ask them about whatnot. You can ask it questions to, can you give me a voting summary, and also distinguish between the different voting parties. So basically, was it a DRep? Was it a pool? Was it a constitutional rep that was voting? So let's see. Well, you know what? Let's not ask it. Let's tell it. There we go. So another interesting part that we've also incorporated in this is this also has live epoch data. So basically we should be able to ask it a simple question. Can you tell me how much longer do I have left to vote to days, not epochs, but days on these proposals? So we'll test that next as well. But yeah, basically, like I said, this agent was created to run on your own infrastructure if you wish to as well. Whether you're self-hosting your own LLM, we're using, like I mentioned, Ollama to self-host our LLM. The current LLM that we have chosen for this one we're running is just a simple 8 billion Llama 3.1. And it does a really wonderful job just running on a baby LLM. Obviously, it does a much better job doing this on much bigger parameter LLMs. And okay, so basically here we are. So the first proposal, there is a total votes of 313, yes and no. And your abstain votes. Then the other one, now distinguish between voting parties. So we know we have Constitutional Committee. This group consists of text I can explain to you and tells you the vote breakdown for each one. Delegated Representatives, DReps, and stake pool operators. And it explains who they are and what they do. So here we go. So this looks like, honestly, oh yeah, so this is, yeah. So this gives us the breakdown for this proposal, the first proposal. We could probably ask it to also give us the same breakdown for the net change proposal. Yeah. Give me the same breakdown. Note that some stakeholders may have voted multiple times. They hold multiple affiliations. Yeah, of course, give me the same breakdown for proposal. So yeah, see, we have it. Let's run up from the beginning to the bottom. I'll scroll down slowly so you guys can easily rewind this video and see the answers that we've had. But the tool does, like I said, it's only running currently on an 8 billion parameter LLM. We try to test and test and make sure that our software can run locally, even on smaller LLMs for anyone running them. Right? Not everybody has giant GPUs, but I run this on an i7 13th generation CPU without a GPU very efficiently as well, which I could demonstrate here in a minute by just changing in the settings to localhost. Again, scrolling down slowly for you guys. It's easy to replay this. And then here we go. So now this is the breakdown for the net change as well. So now you don't have to scroll and look for any of the answers. They're all here right at your fingertips. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this demo and feel free to ask any questions. Oh, one more. Yes, epoch. Can you tell me how much time I have to cast a... Oh, not I have, right? How much times there is left to vote for each proposal. And again, here we go, send. This one, and this will be our last one. Again, thank you for watching. There we go. So we know, so this didn't tell us, so we can ask it too as well, but out of curiosity, yeah, so so both, one proposal ends at epoch 552 and the other one 553. Also, one of them ended already, huh? Or it will end, yeah. This is interesting. Okay. Again, thank you. Joy. Bye.